Oh, hey, welcome to another episode of Mr. J's Workshop. I'm just cleaning up after the 2025 Zenith Rudder Workshop here in Boerne, Texas. Man, it really rocked this year. Sebastian and Roger pulled up on Thursday. We set up all the tables, got everything ready for people to come in. We all went out and grabbed dinner that night and then got in here early to warm up the hangar. We had that cold weather come through, and we weren't sure how bad it was going to be, and it was pretty bad. So Bill Fay and Mark Ogden, they went out and then they bought some heaters to put around the shop here to get everything warm so everybody could work comfortably. Let's do I'll do a quick recap on how the event went. I will say it's been really difficult for me to put this video together because I really didn't know which way to present it and some of the reasons. There was two people here for the second time building another rudder. And not the same rudder. And I said, boy, that's unusual. And there was family, husband and wife and their daughter, a father and his daughter. There was so many reasons why people came here. Some. This was a passion. This was something they always wanted to do, but, we're all struck with priority in life, family and work. And now they're either retiring or they found time in their life to start actually pursuing some of their dreams. But the number one, I think, and I personally think, was
Just here for good fellowship.
Just here for fellowship.
So after that, everyone started building. And it was really nice to see that everyone was helping each other out in different aspects of the building. Maybe just understanding the print, or they needed a third hand, or they're not sure about which way to go first. Sure, Roger and Sebastian were here, helping everybody to make sure they got off to a good start. But seeing people helping each other, that meant more to me, Throughout the day, it was going pretty quickly, and no surprising on the new Zenith quick builds, I'll call them. You just cleco and rivet. It's totally amazing how quickly these rudders go together and how professionally they look. Really, that really excites me to see that, because it's all technology. And back in the day, we had to lay everything out, get the ruler out, mark everything, drill everything, deburr everything. I mean, but now it's so cleaner, less tools, and don't be surprised in the future you won't even see a hand drill in any of your toolboxes, because it's all cleco and rivet. Jan and Alyssa were here from Viking Aircraft, and they were helping out. And Jan did a whole little seminar on wiring aircrafts, the tools you use, the do's and don'ts, his tips on things you should use, understanding automobile wiring, aviation wiring. It was a great presentation from Jan. Mark Ogden, one of the hosts here, he is an AME doctor, and he was answering any questions anybody had about getting a physical, and then talking through all the different types of medicals. Your first class medical, your second class medical, your third class medical, your basic med, your sports pilot. I mean, having a full understanding, the do's and don'ts about going for a medical. That was also exciting for most of the people here. Jan also took the time. There's a couple guys here building their Zeniths here at Boerne Stage Airport. He went out to answer and help with a couple questions on their build that they were putting it off because they weren't sure if they should do this or if this is okay. So, but it wasn't as warm as this hangar. So, he really went beyond helping. Bill and I were giving out these plaques in recognition of their rudder built. It's a major milestone. I mean, my opinion, how many people out there have built a rudder? How many people out there have a pilot's license? To me, it's a major milestone to be in that small category. As for Project 701, it's sort of embarrassing. We really wanted it done for the rudder workshop, but life happens, family is priority, work, and we work on it when we're able to work on it. But I got excited that we actually finally, we took apart the panel and all, and we're starting to put it back in, and that's a good thing. We took it apart means that we deburred everything, made some adjustments, and now we're putting everything in for permanently mounting. And this is a new design that I'm coming up with my panels here, and I was wondering how it was going to look. Well, that's a wrap. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.